so heavy, you know. There is finished.
No, usually it's 5 minutes. This time they're gonna make 15 minutes. This is on phone.
Ah, this time they'll make 15 minutes.
15 minutes because they want to beat the Burj Khalifa.
Oh wow, see the Burj Khalifa one. Oh, it's like. Hey, you can come here, Mr.
That's not Burj Khalifa.
That's not Burj Khalifa.
That is Burj Khalifa, man.
It is not.
That's Burj Khalifa, you say, no?
Yeah. It is.
Let me see, I'm not seeing it.
If you don't need to try, you can come.
No, don't worry.
I must take a view, man.
That you will.
Yeah, maybe. I should zoom very well.
You should go to the terrace, man. I don't forget
Khalifa, what are they doing? The Khalifa is just the same kind of thing.
Yeah, it's the last time was the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's making some sense.
Burj Khalifa, huh?
When it comes
When it comes from bottom, then
and goes up, yeah, it makes some sense.
Look at the way it is spraying at the top. Wow.
I told you.
Better.
Wow.
Oh, metro also passed. There was no no metro, no fireworks on metro.
Well, I'm really enjoying this, celebrating like this.
See how people are jumping down there for nothing. They are just happy that New Year just
No, Burj
arrived.
Khalifa this time is colorful. Last time was no color.
Yeah, they put some color. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Wow, see how it's
What our thing is easy.
oh, that's
They-
too much colorful.
Which one?
This one from
Yeah, but what is that?
from internet
Atlantis?
city.
That's into
No, why? Intensity wise they will do. No.
I don't know.
The Atlantis that is.
Atlantis?
Yeah,
Atlantis is here?
Yeah, Atlantis there.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, guys in Jumeirah, they are just enjoying the whole show
Yeah.
from nothing.
Tight.
If I was a policeman, I would just drive everyone. Go in and sit quiet. Just to disturb.
Wow, that habibi.
This is very colorful. Very colorful.
Yeah, this
But
right.
because of the wow. See?
Really good.
Wow.
But you know the problem with these guys, they have not done it from their building.
Yeah.
From which they are building?
No, their building, there's nothing coming from the building. The building is just sparkling, that's all. But Burj Khalifa, they are doing from the building itself.
Let's see what will happen.
Yeah, building itself and they but
Wow, see, it is coming right here.
What is coming? It's coming.
See, it's coming right here. See? Look at it, is coming right here. It will reach here.
oh wow, that
Hey,
was so nice.
it's
Wow.
coming so close.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's just like that.
yeah. It will reach here very soon. See?
No, this guy really mean it.
Oh my goodness.
You know they are lighting the sky. I'm making
Wow. See, it is reaching
No, I
here.
want
Hey,
one
take
to
care,
come
man.
close.
Take care.
Come close.
Burj Khalifa over. I told you, it's 5 minutes.
Oh
No, this
my.
they are computing, huh?
Because last year, yeah, that is very colorful.
Wow.
This is so colorful.
They
So
are
beautiful.
missing the color.
Wow, this is great.
Yeah, just
They
look
said
at
for 15 minutes.
Yeah, I called the Burj up. They told us.
Wow. Beautiful, man.
Atlantis
See
over.
what these guys are doing.
Huh?
They are the same. They have no writing. They have a writing.
No, they are putting.
Burj Khalifa should be up.
They have some good style of doing it.
Now finished, huh?
Yeah,
Burj
now
Khalifa finished.
fountain display.
No, they can't.
Because this used to be always 5 minutes. This time 15 minutes. So that's why.
See, these guys are putting fountain now in firecracker.
Hey, okay, look at that they're building now. Look at
Yeah.
that one is projected.
Okay, showing
Wow,
2012. See, the building is showing 2012.
You know, that thing is projected or what?
Glittering. Wow.
Look at
So colorful glittering.
in Arabic.
Those guys are doing it so colorful.
I think they're the Atlantis. But because of this billboard, we cannot see anything.
Yeah, because this.
Shit, man. This much. Oh my goodness. I don't know where to take photo. Here or there?
The guys down don't know there are firecrackers.
Yeah. How would they know?
Oh yeah. They have changed the tune now.
The Burj Khalifa what? Finished?
Yeah,
Nothing.
really finished.
Oh my god. They finished in 5 minutes.
Burj Khalifa is sleeping now.
Okay, see, you know what these guys are doing? You get the sound coming from that place. When they start with these little ones from down, then they start sending them up gently. You will see they will come with the same rhythm from up. You see?
Wow.
What starts gently down, they play
Wow,
up.
this is nice. See?
Yeah.
So many colors. You're taking the video?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, that's why. No one in the
The metro
metro.
is empty.
And now metro will let it finish. Then metro will, oh my god, it will be full. Oh, wow.
Wow. This is beautiful, man.
But this is very colorful. Never they do this much of colorful.
Yeah.
Every year I come here.
Now they are making it like, you know, it's coming like this rugby ball.
Yeah. See, I told you go, you didn't go. See, I told you to go there.
Wow.
Because of a friend
Now
you
the
did
next
not go.
the next will be coming that style. Just say it will be going up like that. Same style. You see? It will be going up till it gets to the sky. Only like that.
Atlantis is over.
Look at Arab, they have done it.
I don't like watching. I think I lost about how this
Oh man. Wow. Watch it. Oh, they'll reach here. It's just coming to absorb you.
See, now there's like flowers.
Oh.
Now like the stems and
Yeah. Like some glass. It's coming so close, eh? Ooh. You are also taking those
Yes.
champions, 2012 champions.
Just happy over nothing.
Happy for one added number. That is 11 plus 1.
it's still not over. Still not over. 15 minutes not over.
Alright, now to 15 minutes.
Ooh,
See,
okay.
it's coming. It's moving closer. See? Hey, it's reaching the road. Sexai Road. It's reaching Sexai Road.
Come. I want you to reach here.
Wow, it's reaching Sexai Road.
It's reaching Basha.
This is heavy.
Wow, this is pretty, man.
Oh yeah, right. See that?
Oh my goodness.
Seems like it's starting from there.
Wow, my goodness.
The guys down are not enjoying that.
Yeah.
That's the kind of shady color.
See now, see color. The color. Oh wow.
You know you can notice this on YouTube.
Yeah, it's good.
People will watch how many guys will watch it.
Wow.
Maybe this is the last.
Yeah, maybe.
Now this is
Look
the
at
last.
Hey, finish.
Jay.
Now next year, 13.
Yeah. It's
New here, bonne année,
Bonne année!
Bonne année, bonne année, bonne année, bonne année. Oh,
Wow.
now guys are making noise. They have not reached. They are still 3 hours behind.
Yeah.
My country, guys.
Ah, 3 hours behind.
Yeah.
Oh. They are preparing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they are still waiting.
They are waiting too. Very soon Yaoundé will be
How
shooting
come 3
out.
hours behind?
Yeah.
3 hours behind.
You are in the eastern part,
yeah.
right?
Yeah,
We are
the same time with France. The same time.
Ah, okay. That's the finished.
Oh, this guy, you want to take that bicycle for your New Year? Take it.
Hey,
Collect
what
it.
is this?
He took the bicycle.
He left it red.
Happy New Year. That was the New Year gift.
बस कहाँ थे तुम लोग को? तुम लोग को तू मिस करूँ चाहिए. I'm telling you, मैं वहाँ खड़ा वरना वो नहीं 4 पार्क की चीज़.
Oh, this was a nice view.
If
If we went to this place, we would have not done anything.
We would have wasted time for 5 minutes only.
Blue colorful means Atlantis. हमारे वरना वो बोलेंगे बुजारा Atlantis, Palm Island and Burj Khalifa. 4 જોવાય છે. તો એમાં 5 minutes. But
Take this lady, this young lady, and this young gentleman. International. You know what we call them?
Wow.
What we call this thing?
That is Williams and Kate.
No.